Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, if you're just watching my video for the first time, my name is Miriam and I basically make videos on everything Canada. Yeah, without wasting too much time guys, I'm so glad to inform you that because based on popular demand for the past couple of months now, I've received tons of email asking for this course and even asking me when this course is gonna be ready. So now guys, I'm super excited to inform you guys that the step-by-step guide on how to get a full funding for masters and PhD programs in Canada, it is now ready. The course is now fully launched. Although I launched the course yesterday and I've sent an email to some couple of people. Yeah, so the course is now fully ready. And guys, I forgot to tell you that I've actually been coaching some students at the back end. So basically I've been coaching some students at the back end and I'm super excited. All my students got results. You wouldn't believe, like all of them basically got results. And there is this particular lady that her own case really interests me. Her name is Mercy. Her name is Mercy, and I'm sure that some of you must have heard about her own case. So this lady, she has been reaching out to supervisor for the past 2 years. She has been reaching out to supervisors and she wasn't getting any positive response. So she got to know about me through this channel. Yeah, she's one of my subscribers. She got to know about me through this channel, and Mercy reached out to me exactly when the course was ready. She reached out to me at the right time when the course was ready, but I was yet to officially launch the course then. So she took this course and she implemented everything she learned in this course. And like seriously guys, I'm super excited that the second day she reached out to these two supervisors, she got responses immediately. Like immediately, it was super excited. Mercy reached out to me at the perfect time. She reached out to me when the course was ready then, but it wasn't fully launched then. So yeah, so basically she implemented everything she learned in this course, and yeah, I'm super excited that she was able to get results. I'm gonna share her response, the responses she got from this supervisor. I'm gonna share it. I don't know if it's up here or up there or on the screen so that you guys can see yourself. So basically she reached out to this supervisor on, I think on September, I'm not sure if it's September 25 or so. Yeah, she reached out to this supervisor and yeah, she got responses the following day. She actually reached out to two supervisors that day, and those supervisors were the only ones she reached out to, and she got responses the following day from those two supervisors, and they actually showed interest in her. So one of my students I actually coached last year, he also got, yeah, he got funding, and his own funding too is also full funding, and he was also able to get $1,200 per month. That is his monthly stipend. So basically his living expenses, he gets 1,000 aside his 100% tuition fee. So he gets his living expenses up to 1,200, and this girl's living expenses as well is she got 1,500 as living expenses. So that means the supervisor is going to be paying her 1,500 every month, and her tuition fee is 100% covered. Yeah, so she actually got two professors that showed interest at the same time. She has applied for admission. She applied for two different admissions because she doesn't know which one is going to come through first. So fortunately for her, both admission clicked, and she's going for one. Obviously the monthly stipend is more for one compared to the other school. And why I'm so particular about this girl is that she's, out of all the students I've coached so far, she happens to be the only lady, and only lady from Nigeria. I also have some other guys from Nigeria, but she's the only lady among them from Nigeria. So this is just to motivate you ladies out there that you can also do it. So there are some of my students who, although they are also not from Nigeria, I have some, most of them are not from Nigeria, and I'm so super glad that these people are getting results. I'm super excited. I can actually see their email. Their email came through, and I'm super excited that they are getting result, and that's my joy. And guys, what I just want to tell you is that in this course I just launched, I've put my all in it. Yeah, because while I was a student, I was so opportune to work with these supervisors. I was so opportune to work with these supervisors, and the closeness I had with my professor, we were kind of very close then. So sometimes I help him in reviewing some applications. I reviewed PhD applications. I also reviewed master student application. I've actually leaked all the secrets along the line. Why reviewing application, I got to realize so many things, because it's gonna tell me this is what we are looking for. If this person, in fact, there are some applications that I don't even bother myself to touch, because I know this one, your chances is, you don't even, like, your chances is close to zero. So I don't even bother myself to look at those applications. So it tells me is a expectation and all, and I also put this expectation in sorting out this application, because it received tons of applications from different people all over the world. So then guys, I must tell you, to get supervisor, quote me anywhere, to get supervisor is very, very easy. To get a supervisor that is going to fund you is very, very easy. The only thing you need to know is to discover their secret. Yeah, the only thing you need to know is to discover their secret. Once you're able to log their secrets, I bet you, once you use those secrets, you're gonna get their attention. Yeah, and I must tell you, anyone can write SOP. You might be wondering, the thing I can do myself, it is easier for me to, why is she talking about this? I can do it. Yeah, you can do it yourself, and I would even challenge you to go ahead and do it yourself. So it is very, very easy for people to do it yourself. Anyone can write SOP. Yeah, anyone can write SOP, but I'm gonna tell you this. You can write SOP, you can package, or you can put applications together, but let me tell you this thing. Once you don't give them what they want, I bet you they wouldn't even bother to open your application. So that's just it. So guys, without saying too much, this course is a comprehensive course, and it entails everything you need to know. In this course, I have nothing to hide for you guys. I have absolutely nothing to hide for you guys. I've revealed all the secrets you need to know, and I'm sure one day, my supervisor might be watching this video one day. Yeah, it might be watching this one day. Yeah, and I'm sure that it's gonna be shocked that I'm talking about all this, and it's still part of it. So guys, I've revealed everything you need to know in this video. I did not hide anything, and yeah, it is up for grab. And because this is a newly launched course, so I'm actually having an offer. A special offer is currently on. Yeah, so it will be better for you guys to grab the offer before the timer hits zero, because once the timer is zero, I'm sorry guys, it will be horrible. And I would also like to say this again to everyone out there that is seeking or searching for any help whatsoever. You don't need to contact me personally. This course is everything you need, like everything and all you need. You don't need to contact me personally. You are gonna, if it's to write SOP, guys, if you take this course, and forget it, I'm not trying to market anything for you guys. It is left for you. I can't force you to do what you don't want to do. And this course is not for everyone. It depends on individual choice. So I can't force you to do what you don't want to do. But guys, I must tell you this is a lifetime investment. If you think the cost of this course is too much for you to invest in your life, I don't know. I would just say sorry is your case. Yeah, because in life, even as we are in Canada, I can't count how much. I can't account for how much I've spent on self-development. Yes, I can't count how much I've spent on self-development. If you don't self-develop yourself, guys, bet it with me, you can't grow. That's it. So if you think the cost of this course is too much for you to invest in your life, invest in your future, guys, I don't know what else to say. Just think about the benefits. look at the high cost of studying in Canada is extremely high, and this course is specifically specifically for people who who are not financially buoyant. If you know you are not financially buoyant and you are looking for a fully funded scholarship in Canada, I bet you this course is just is everything you need, because you have nothing to lose. They're gonna pay you. Throughout my throughout my program year, I did not work a single day. I did not work a single day because my monthly stipend is was more than enough for me. In fact, I was even able to save. So guys, a lot of benefit. You have nothing to lose. Just use myself as an example. I did not pay any dime. I did not pay a dime when I came to study in Canada. I did not pay a dime. And look at me today. At least I shared my story of my newly gotten job. Everything is quite going on smoothly, and yeah. So guys, this is just the best decision you would ever make. So like I said earlier, if you need any help, I'm gonna drop the link in the description down below. So I just want you to click on the link. After clicking on the link, just input your email, your name and your email address. It's gonna redirect you to the page, basically a mini website. So you can just watch the video there and also scroll down the scroll down the page to view to also learn more about the course. And again guys, I'm gonna upload after this video, after my talking, I'm gonna you're gonna see the advert of that course. So guys, yeah, like I said earlier, this course is not for everyone, and it is also not compulsory. Guys, it is not compulsory. It depends on you. If you know you are ready to invest in your future, if you know you are ready to invest in yourself, then don't think twice. So this course is basically everything you need. And why I love this course is the fact that you don't really need to bother about how to write SOP. Guys, I'm gonna give you free SOP templates, free Canadian format resume, free everything. And once you learn all these secret and steps I reveal in this course, you're going to be able to write any SOP, just name it. You are going to be able to write any kind of SOP whatsoever. And another thing I love about this course is that you'll also be able to apply to any university of your choice, not only in Canada but in other countries as well, because basically funding system is almost the same. And if you're also the type that you feel you need instrumental payment, if you need instrumental payment, that is if you want to pay in if you want to pay twice, you can send me an email and we go from there. So guys, this is a one-time opportunity for you, and I would like you to grab. I'm super excited. The people I've coached in the past, and the people I've coached in the past, they're actually seeing results. And to all of you out there, to my students out there, I know you are watching me right now. Yeah, congratulations to all of you. I'm super excited. You know, that joy when people are succeeding over you, that under you rather, that joy when you are passing out knowledge to people and they are utilizing it to get results. Like, it's just the best feeling you can ever experience. To wrap up everything, this is just a comprehensive course. It's a step by step. Like, you're gonna watch me as I do everything. You're gonna watch me as I do it. You're gonna watch me from start to finish. That I'm gonna be reaching out to a potential supervisor. You're gonna be watching me how it is being done. Yeah. So you that you've been reaching out to supervisor, you're not getting any response, you've been doing a lot of things wrong, and I've explained everything in this video. Yes guys, so now let's watch the ad. So I'm gonna see you in my next video. Thank you so much guys, and we are gonna meet in class. So don't forget to tag people, don't forget to share this video with your friends. You might be helping someone out there, you might change someone's life. So don't forget to share this video with people out there. So guys, I'm gonna see you in my next video.
Do you know that you can get a fully funded master's and PhD programs in Canada? Do you know that you can study in Canada for free and get paid up to 1,500 Canadian dollars and more per month till you complete your program? Do you know that you can become a Canadian permanent resident after graduation? If you wish to study in Canada but have no financial capability, then this is for you. Hi, I am Miriam, the founder of Easy Guide to Canada. Upon completing my undergraduate degree, I got a fully funded master's admission to study civil and environmental engineering in one of Canada's best universities. The total funding package was worth 45,000 Canadian dollars per year for a 2-year program. I became a Canadian permanent resident a couple of months to the completion of my program. I currently work with the Government of Canada and had also worked with construction and consulting firm in the past. Having worked with several members of the faculty otherwise known as professors in my program year, I have gained valuable skills and experience while assisting professors in reviewing applications from prospective PhD and master's students. During this process, I was able to decipher the key indices that supervisors use in filtering out top-quality candidates from thousands of applicants and subsequently recommending them to the Graduate Admissions Committee. Leveraging on this first-hand experience, I have successfully assisted hundreds of candidates in getting accepted into fully funded master's and PhD programs through direct mentorship over the years. Despite achieving this milestone, I feel the need to reach out to even more aspiring students across the globe, and provide them unrestricted access to classified information on how to be successful in their hunt for getting a world-class graduate education without paying a dime to the university, but instead, let the universities pay them for attending. I have unlocked these secrets in this course titled Step-by-Step Guide on How to Get a Full Funding for Master's and PhD programs in Canada. This course walks you through the step-by-step processes of getting a professor who is willing to sponsor you. All you need for this course is a laptop, tablet or mobile phone and an internet connection, as I will be demonstrating by using practical examples, and you would practice everything as I walk you through. In this course, you would watch me as I choose a random professor's profile, carry out detailed profile research and analysis, summarize my findings and finally use this information to write an irresistible statement of purpose, a Canadian format resume and a proposal that would stand out among thousands of other applicants. Even if you don't have a strong academic profile, you would learn how to build and submit a highly competitive profile and also master the secrets that is applicable to all supervisors. Your academic qualification should not be a hindrance. Who is this course for? This course is for you if you wish to study in Canada but you have no financial capability. You have a low comprehensive ranking system, also known as CRS score, and wish to consider study route. You have been reaching out to supervisors with no positive response. You are a newbie who have no knowledge about Canadian funding and wish to learn, implement and get results. You wish to relocate to Canada with your family. The most reliable and the easiest means to become a Canadian permanent resident is through study. And as we know that the cost of studying as an international graduate student in Canada is as high as 30,000 Canadian dollars per year, but now, you have the opportunity to study for free and still get paid while you study. When I was a student, I was able to save more than 15,000 Canadian dollars from my monthly stipend, and I believe you can also do the same too when you get full funding for your programs by implementing all the strategies you will be learning in this course. Here is a sneak peek of what you will learn. You will understand the strategies and secrets used in getting a faculty member's attention. Be able to submit a competitive and an irresistible profile that would stand out among thousands of other applicants and increase your chances of being noticed by potential supervisors. Gain confidence and flexibility in writing a convincing statement of purpose to match the interest of a prospective supervisor. Be able to apply the knowledge gained from this course in securing funding in any university of your choice in other countries. Be able to conveniently navigate through any school's website and locate a potential faculty members who are willing to fund you. Gain confidence in writing Canadian format resume and a convincing research proposal. Understand how to prepare for a video interview with potential supervisors. Here, you will learn how to sell yourself. Master all the qualities and skills supervisors are looking for to start getting results. You would also get free bonuses such as detailed statement of purpose template, Canadian format resume template, email template with step-by-step guide, scenario-based demonstrations, detailed research proposal, follow-up email template, interview preparation guide and lots more. We are giving out more than 60% off to the first 30 people that make a purchase. Grab this opportunity to be among the first 30 people to get this course at a special offer of $52 or 22,000 naira, after which the price will go up to $150 or 63,350 naira when the timer hits 0. Obviously, the benefits outweigh the cost. This $52 comprehensive life-changing course would save you over $3,000 payable to an educational consultants or immigration agents. You will simply learn to do it yourself. Click the button down below this video to grab your spot, scroll through the page to learn more and view our students' testimonials. Here is an opportunity to fulfill your dreams and change your life forever with just $52 or 22,000 naira for the first 30 people only.